Hey everyone, it's Collywood here, and today I'm going to show you yet another new apartment I have here in Guangzhou, China. Now, if you haven't seen my other videos, check them out. I've shown two previous apartments which are similar price to this one, but I got a new apartment because my landlord and wife got in a little bit of a disagreement and fight. So it's in the same building, exact same layout, just a little bit of different furniture and things within the apartment. I actually prefer this one. It's a lot better in my opinion, but let's go have a look. So here's the door that I was standing behind. Right, and you got your shoe holder here, which I don't use this that much. I mean, we have a few pairs of my wife's shoes and stuff in there. We got some masks and my keys I put there. It's like your door entranceway. Buzzer, but no one uses this anymore. It's an older thing. So this is the living room. You can get a gist of it. Overall look. And yes, the fridge is in the living room just because it gives us a little bit more space in the kitchen. The kitchens here in China aren't the largest for the price range I pay. Massage chair comes in handy with the store bag and long day of work. So I'll show you the living room later, but let's go to one of the first things I look for when I rent in Guangzhou or China at all. A decent kitchen, because you know I like to cook, and it's actually pretty hard to find a nice kitchen for the price range I'm looking at. Now this place is 5,000 RMB. That's what it's listed at. We were able to bargain it down a little bit less. And that's around 1,000 Canadian or maybe 800 American. And bargained it down. So at the end of the day, when we pay our bills for water, gas, electric, TV, all that internet, we usually spend about 5,000 RMB a month. And this is in a downtown location, Taojin. It's the old downtown. So we got two burners here. Made pancakes this morning. You can see it's not that big. And yes, those are cockroach houses. We're on a lower floor, so since we moved in, we've had to have a bit to try to get rid of them. But in a tropical climate, I mean, you're gonna have cockroaches. Okay, so this is the bin here. I got my oven and my microwave. Double sink. I was very happy to get this, and this is my beautiful brand new drying rack. Everything seeps down. I'm really happy with this. And wasted space here. Before my old apartment, this was a balcony area where I had the washing machine and everything. So we're deciding what we're going to do with this. We're probably going to buy a new washing machine, and we'll put the old one there because the landlord won't want us to just throw it away. So out here, and I got my table. We don't eat off of this table. We eat at the dining room table there. But this, I made some banana bread and just some snacks, water. My blender there, it's Pro Blender Vitamix. Look it up if you know your blenders and stuff. Just some weights I barely use, and my wife's running machine. Cat's on the floor with the off-white rug with IKEA. Then you got the coffee table, the sofa area if you've seen. Window. We get some good sunlight in here. Hope the lighting's been good. My shoes I have out here still. They need some cleaning. And here's the balcony. Okay, that's enough. You see my wife's underwear. The view's not the greatest. I mean, but it's a Chinese view. Unless in Guangzhou you're on the river, your view isn't that great. So up here we got two rooms and the bathroom. So we see the bathroom. I bought a tub for 100 RMB. It's nice to soak in. It will be good when it gets hot this summer since the pools might not be open. And this is a lot more organized than previous places I've lived. The shelving and the mirrors I was really happy about this place. I had to install some things myself like this shower rack and whatnot, but decent washroom, decent. This bedroom, I still need to have the landlord come and fix the light. It's broken, so you probably can't see too much. This is the spare bedroom. We have our medicine and like cabinet there, and My wife's clothing is all in this, so let's just get out of here. We don't really use this one. This is the main bedroom we use. We sleep here. Here's the bed. It's decent size, and in China usually you get these hard mattresses like this. Now we imported the foam mattresses from Thailand because Thailand has some of the best mattresses and pillows in the world, if you didn't know that. We imported those for a good price, and we've been using them ever since. Wife's makeup dress here, another cat sleeping on my wife's chair, cat house. And these windows are really nice and big. You can see across, they have a really nice garden when you live on the penthouse of places. Gets great sunlight. And then quick look at my clothing. So this is all, I put most of the winter stuff in here, and jerseys and dress shirts and some fancier shorts up there. Then I got this clothing here is more of my t-shirts and tank tops because it gets really hot here. Ball shorts and, you know, fighting shorts and some track pants. And pants down there, jeans, socks in the drawer there. And then finally I have this one here, which is like accessories and my belts and stuff, colognes, watches. Okay. A little personal, but you know, just show you a little bit of what I have over here. So now let's talk about areas in Guangzhou, the cost of things, and just a bit more information if you're looking to come here one day once the foreigner ban is lifted, or just get a bit more information about housing in Guangzhou. Now, as I said, this was listed at 5,000 RMB. After negotiations, at the end of the day, we pay out 5,000 for everything, included our taxes towards this house, and all the bills. So we break even at 5,000. Now this is in a place called Taojin, which is like the old downtown. A lot of access on line 5 to get downtown to where the office places are, but also good access to go the other opposite way to where a lot of the wholesale markets are. My wife and I need that. There's a lot of business with clothing and textiles the opposite way of the downtown from this location, and not far. So that's why we choose here, apart from, you know, right downtown. Plus, it's not cheap here, but it's not expensive. So if you're right downtown in like Juzhou, Newtown, Liada, for the same type of size as we have here, you're gonna look to spend maybe 6,000 if you're lucky, to anywhere up to 10, 15,000 RMB for a nice place. Then yes, of course, there's a lot of foreigners go, oh, you're paying way too much, and oh, I have a place out in Panyu, which is like the suburbs. Or, you know, I have a place in a line that's not connected with anything. It's out here and I'm paying 2,500 or 3,000. Or you're really far out and you're paying 3,500 for a 3-bedroom and it's brand new. Well, you got to remember, it takes me 30 minutes to get to work by bus. I'm pretty close to downtown area. I have all the amenities here, and it's a tier 1 city. Okay, prices in every city are going to range all over the place. If I one day change work positions and go to a place like Foshan, I can find a beautiful place for like 2,500, 3,000, 3-bedroom in the downtown area. But right now I'm in Guangzhou. So once again, this is my new apartment and I plan on staying here for some time. My landlord's really nice. The area is getting renovated outside, brand new sidewalks and everything. And once this virus is over, things are going to get a lot better. So yeah, this is what I plan to live on. Like I said, check out the old videos to see and compare. Drop a comment on which one you like better. My old apartment, this apartment, and just drop a comment in general. Let me know what you guys want to see. Now, as for the markets, guys, I know everyone keeps saying, oh, show us the new collection of shoes, this or that. Man, I really wish I could. But they're still not letting foreigners in. Even when I go there, I could potentially get in by calling the foreigner hotline for discrimination, showing a nucleic acid test, which you have to, once again, renew every 3 days. But just to make a video, that means I'm spending 1,000 RMB, okay, that's 200 Canadian dollars, to go make a video when the video won't even make that much. Go in, and while I'm in there, I'm going to be harassed. I'm going to be, oh, why is a foreigner in here? I'm going to be stopped over and over again. And I'll have to call the discrimination hotline because they're still going to say no foreigners. So don't worry, guys. It's coming. We got to be patient, just like everyone's being patient waiting in quarantine. Now, there'll be some other videos to come about my life in China. But until then, hold on tight, and it will come soon. Till next time, Collarwood. Take it easy.